Hey guys, Patty Bo here at BTO. First class we started off with the beginner track, how to get a little bit more sociable. In order to do that, we talked about the connection side of things a little bit, and your posturing and getting you guys more aware of where your body is in motion, right? So the first thing we talked about is where is your stance. My spine, or what I call my center, will always be on the forward side of my foot instead of settling back on the heel, right? So we did a couple drills. One of the things we talked about is when we anchor our foot and did 5 and 6, instead of settling that tailbone or that center behind, we actually kept it on the ball of the foot, which allows a release of our foot movement. Same thing for the leaders. When we anchored our foot, right, we allow our center to be on the front ball of the foot instead of pedaling it back. Right, because when I'm in the forward end of it, it releases my leg to actually drive and move somewhere. Cool? And then we talked about a little bit about the positioning of our bodies and where it should be in order to match each other. By creating space, we're always going to have half our bodies presentable instead of the whole thing. Because if I get full, everything goes forward. And if I actually offset that, my body will actually move itself forward, and then I get to counterbalance that movement a little bit. Cool? Then we worked on some drills, like a tomahawk whip or a lock whip. Instead of going straight and then backing out straight, we went ahead, followers, and opened up that left side of our bodies to create a little bit more space for our movement. So we went on 1, 2, 3, opened up on 4, 5, and 6. If you guys notice, I did that on an angle. Same thing for my leaders. When I move, I want to also create space for my followers, so I'm going to keep that right side of my body dancing back. So now she's got somewhere to travel through. Cool? That was your basic getting sociable class. Thanks guys, we'll see you next year. Bye.